Hello, I'm Naomi. Today, we are gonna make Nanohana Karashi-ae, rapeseed salad seasoned with Japanese hot mustard. Its spicy taste goes well with rapeseed's slight bitterness. I'll show you the tip of how to prepare rapeseed before cooking. So please watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Before you start cooking, soak the stems in water for an hour to make them revive and palatable. Remove the stem ends. Cut into 2-inch or 5-centimeter length. Keep some tips for decoration. One tablespoon of mirin, 1/3 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 100 cc of DASHI stock. Karashi, hot and spicy yellow mustard. I'm gonna use paste one today, but you can find canned in powder form. Dissolve it with a dashi mixture. Add another 1.5 teaspoons of it. Set aside until use. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Boil the stems first. Then add the flower tips in there. Boil for 1 minute because spring vegetables are soft and tender. Drain the greens immediately. Spread on a strainer to cool. Toss together. Keep in the refrigerator until serving. If you have a time, marinate for 15 minutes. How did you like it? Rapeseed flour is harbinger of spring in Japan. We enjoy these ingredients as tempura or Goma-ae too. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.